Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox Mobile with an Xbox controller. First, make sure your Xbox controller is ready to go, either fully charged or with new batteries. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. Then, put your Xbox controller into pairing mode by holding down the pairing button for a few seconds until the Xbox button flashes. Finally, select your controller from the Bluetooth device list to connect it. Once your controller is paired, open the Roblox app on your phone or tablet. It's important to remember that not every game on Roblox supports controller input. Many developers design their games primarily for touchscreens. To ensure the best experience, look for games that specifically state they have controller support in their descriptions. A good way to test is to try popular games like Jailbreak or Adopt Me, which often include this functionality. When you enter a game, most controller-compatible Roblox experiences will automatically map basic actions. Typically, the left joystick controls your character's movement, while the right joystick manages the camera view. If you want to fine-tune your experience, dive into the in-game settings menu. Many games offer options to view or even customize your controller's button assignments, allowing you to tailor the controls to your personal preference for optimal gameplay. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both the Roblox app and your Xbox controller often resolves connectivity problems. Also, always make sure your Roblox application is updated to its most recent version to benefit from the latest bug fixes and features. For the best connection, keep your mobile device and controller close, within about 10 feet. For extended play, a phone clip can greatly enhance comfort and immersion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.